Farchoner car has taken the automotive world by storm with its revolutionary design and futuristic features. It stands as a perfect example of how far automobile engineering has come. With its sleek aerodynamic body, ultra-modern LED lighting system, and striking front grille, the Farchoner commands attention wherever it goes. The car's exterior is crafted using high-strength, lightweight materials that not only enhance performance but also improve fuel efficiency. The alloy wheels are custom designed to offer maximum grip and add to the vehicle's aggressive stance. Every curve, every angle of the Farchoner has been carefully sculpted to slice through the air with minimal resistance. Step inside the cabin and you're immediately welcomed by a luxurious and tech-filled environment that blends comfort with innovation. The seats are wrapped in premium eco-leather and are both heated and ventilated, offering optimal comfort in every season. The dashboard features a large, floating digital display that merges the instrument cluster with the infotainment system, offering a seamless interface. Voice command, gesture control, and haptic feedback make it incredibly intuitive to interact with the system. Ambient lighting that changes color according to the mood of the drive adds a premium and relaxing touch to the interior experience. Under the hood, the Farchoner comes equipped with a highly efficient hybrid powertrain that combines a turbocharged petrol engine with an advanced electric motor. Together, they deliver breathtaking acceleration while ensuring low emissions and excellent fuel economy. The engine is paired with a smooth shifting automatic transmission that adapts to different driving styles. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating tight city streets, the car remains composed and responsive. The suspension has been finely tuned to absorb shocks and bumps, providing a comfortable ride without sacrificing handling precision. Multiple driving modes, including Eco, Sport, and Comfort, allow drivers to customize their driving experience at the push of a button. Safety is a top priority in the Farchoner, which is why it comes loaded with advanced safety technologies. Adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist are just a few of the many features that make this car a safe companion on every journey. The vehicle also includes a 360-degree camera system and automatic parking assist, making it extremely easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. The body structure is reinforced with high-tensile steel and crumple zones that absorb impact energy, protecting occupants in the event of a collision. Multiple airbags and electronic stability control add another layer of safety. When it comes to connectivity, the Farchoner is way ahead of its time. It offers seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The built-in navigation system is powered by satellite technology and provides real-time traffic updates and alternate route suggestions. Passengers can enjoy crystal-clear audio through a premium surround sound system that creates a concert-like experience inside the cabin. Wireless charging pads, USB-C ports, and onboard Wi-Fi ensure that everyone stays connected and charged up on the go. The rear seats are equally impressive with ample legroom and recline function, turning long trips into relaxing journeys.